Hi everyone, this is Mark of Tech Pinas. Join me in my quick unboxing and initial setup of the COOCAA 40-inch Smart TV with Netflix built in. So you can now get this TV via Lazada Philippines via the COOCAA Lazada flash sale. Alright, let's do this. Let's go! Alright, so as you can see, the box features the color orange, which is the corporate hue of COOCAA. So let's cut the stickers. Let me show you the items inside the box. We have the 2 feet, actually made of plastic. This is how it looks. Let's see. So let's go through the documentation one by one. First, we have this letter from COOCAA. So this is basically inviting you to join the COOCAA TV owner community. Okay. Next, we have the base installation manual. Of course, we have the quick start guide. And finally, we have the COOCAA warranty certificate. So this TV, just like all other TVs that are being sold at Lazada flash sale, actually comes with 2 years warranty. Okay, here we have the remote control, the cable for connecting the TV to an electrical outlet. We also have adapters, you won't have to buy them separately. And finally, you get 2 free batteries for the remote control. Nice. Now we're ready to pull the COOCAA 40-inch Smart TV with Netflix built-in out of the box. Okay, so this is the easy way to do this. Just hold the TV on either sides and you pull it up. Just pull it up. Okay? Easy, right? Okay, so remove this box. Put it down like this first. There. Since there's a protrusion at the bottom of the TV near the speakers, I would advise that you first lay down the TV on its back like this when installing the feet. Okay, now we're ready to turn on the COOCAA 40S3N 40-inch Smart TV with Netflix built in, but first we'd have to plug it to an electric outlet using the provided cable. We need the remote control for turning on this TV, so let's install the batteries. This is how the TV's home screen looks. So from here, you can have quick access to several pre-installed applications like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and even the web browser. Alright, so we're done with the unboxing and the initial setup. Now I'll share with you the 5 things that I love about the 40-inch COOCAA Smart TV with Netflix built in. The first thing I love about this TV is its near bezel-less 40-inch Full HD Infinity View IPS display that really gives an incredible viewing experience when you're watching your favorite TV series or movies. The second thing that's amazing about this TV is its very elegant design that makes it a great centerpiece in any living room.
You are not ready. You are not ready.
Of course, one of the main highlights of this TV is its built-in Netflix application that lets you watch your favorite films and shows in high definition. You just need a Wi-Fi network and subscription. Complementing its gorgeous screen, this COOCAA TV also comes with Dolby with surround sound system. And finally, what I love about the COOCAA 40S3N is that it's very budget friendly, making it a perfect UTV for millennials and young professionals who are planning to upgrade their viewing experience in their condo or at home.
Alright, so there you have it. You can now get this TV, the 40-inch COOCAA Smart TV with Netflix built-in, via the official flagship store of COOCAA in Lazada, Philippines. So this TV actually sells for a very competitive price through their generous promotion, so move fast and purchase your TV now. Okay, this is Mark of Tech Pinas. Bye for now!